Good morning. You are listening Rishi Sharma, your news anchor from Lava Par Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 18 June from around the world. Sacrifice of our Jawan will not go in vain, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said. Speaking for the first time on the border situation in Ladakh, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that while India favors peace, it is also capable of giving fitting reply when provoked. I would like to assure the nation that the sacrifice of our Jawan will not go in vain. For us, the unity and sovereignty of the country are the most important. India wants peace, but it is capable to give a fitting reply if instigated, he said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to hold all-party meeting at 5 p.m. on June 19. Presidents of various political parties will take part in virtual meeting. India-China face-off updates. Military talks on LAC face-off remains inconclusive, says sources. 20 Indian Army personnel and an undisclosed number of Chinese soldiers were killed in clash in the Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh on Monday night. It was the biggest military confrontation in our 5 decades that has significantly escalated the already volatile border standoff in the region. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu pays tribute to 20 Indian soldiers killed in Ladakh clashes. My salutations to the brave Indian Army personnel who were martyred in Ladakh, he wrote on Twitter. Army personnel who were critically injured after the violent face-off with Chinese troops are stable now, report ANI quoting Army sources. Chinese said took premeditated planned action in Galwan, India. In a strong message, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Wednesday told his Chinese counterpart Wang Yi that the unprecedented incident in Galwan Valley will have a serious impact on the bilateral relationships and asked China to take corrective steps. Coronavirus updates. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain tests positive. More than 8 million people have been reported to be infected by the novel corona globally. In India, total cases of coronavirus has crossed the 3.54 lakh marks as per the latest updates, with the death toll nearing 12,000. Gujarat reports 520 new COVID-19 cases and 27 deaths. 27 fresh COVID-19 cases have reported in Goa today. Former Union Minister RJD leader Raghuvansh Prasad Singh tests positive for COVID-19. India confirmed cases are 3,54,065 and deaths 11,903. Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked CMs to make full use of COVID testing capacity, expand health infrastructure, continuing with his consultation with state government on ways to check the spread of coronavirus during Unlock 1.0. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday is holding interaction with Chief Minister and representative of 14 states and the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Sushant Singh Rajput suicide case, police records Director Mukesh Chhabra's statement. In the ongoing investigation into Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death by suicide, the Mumbai police has been recording statement of some of the actors. In the latest update of the cops have recorded casting director Mukesh Chhabra's statement, it has been confirmed. Chhabra told that he shared good relations with Rajput. He was a good actor. DCP Abhishek Trimukh said in a statement to ANI. 4 NPP minister resigns from BJP lead government in Manipur. 4 National People's Party ministers, including Deputy CM Y. Joy Kumar Singh, resigned from the BJP lead government in Manipur on Wednesday. Air Access India launches safe door-to-door baggage service Fly Porter in 3 metros: Bangalore, New Delhi, Hyderabad. Mamta Agarwal, the yoga guru, dietitian, fitness trainer from Mumbai, is providing health tips. We can all contact with her on Facebook and Insta and make our healthy life more easy. I'm Nishi Sharma. We'll come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.